Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make CPA marketing website totally free in just 5 minutes. And best thing is, you don't even need to know how to code. You don't even need to know how to use WordPress. You can literally make this website automatically. And only tool that you need is Google Sheets. And you can do this even if you're an absolute beginner. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. So I'm here on AFF Plus because here I can find all the CPA offers in one place. Now it is advisable for all the CPA offers on your website to be from same country, for same country, and also for all CPA offers to be in the same category. So what I can do, I can simply click here on Geos, and here let's just say United States, okay? United States of America. And here where it says verticals, those are basically categories. So when I click here on categories, here I can see all the available categories. So let's say, for example, I wish to choose insurance. Now insurance was one of the best categories for affiliate marketing, for CPA marketing, and so on and so on. It is one of the best paid categories. And here I can see all the available CPA offers in insurance categories in United States. $2.80, $12.60, and so on and so on. Here you can see all the offers. So let's say I wish to promote this offer here, American insurance quotes. So I can simply open this in new tab, and here I can see more information about this offer. Here you can see auto insurance, financials, load submit, and so on. United States CPA. And here you can, when you click here, show more, here you can see more information. It is email allowed traffic, which means if you have your mailing list, you can promote this offer. And if you wish to promote this offer, just click here, run this offer, register for this CPA network, and start promoting this offer. So next thing that we actually need a Google spreadsheet. And this is how it looks. For those of you who don't know, Google spreadsheet is basically like Microsoft Excel. And these here are 3 fields that you need to add. You need to add name, you need to add description, and you need to add affiliate, okay? And when I go back here on AFF Plus, here I can simply find, for example, American insurance quotes. I can Control-C that, go back here, and here where it says name, I am going to paste that here. Now here you can see it went out of this field here. Now to fix that, all you have to do is just mark this field and then go here on format, then go on wrapping, and let's just say clip. And here it is. And when I click here, it is entire text. But when I click here, it is only in one field. So now I need to add a description. Now quite often, when you go on their landing page, you can find a description of this offer. So let me just go here to see, okay, you can use one of these texts if you want. So for example, I can simply copy this, okay? Control-C, and then go back on Google Spreadsheet, and I'm going to paste that here. And same thing, you need to click here on Format, Wrapping, Clip. And now it is in the same field. And where it says Affiliate, you need to add your affiliate link, your CPA affiliate link for this offer, okay? And because I'm not promoting this offer yet, I don't have that link yet, so I will add it later. So let me just close this, and now I need to add another CPA offer. Same thing, cover wallet business insurance. Again, just open it in a new tab, and here you can see more informations. And when I click here, show more, you can even see description for this offer. So what I can do, I can simply copy this, okay, Control-C, go back on Google Spreadsheet, click here, paste it here, and again, format, wrapping, clip. And here I need to add description. Just go back here, scroll here, and here I can add a description. Okay? Okay. Control-C, go back here, paste it here, and again, format. Unfortunately, you have to do this every time. And here again, like I said, you need to add your affiliate links, your CPA affiliate links. And I will add another offer. So let's just say travel insurance plus COVID. Now this is really popular because people are traveling this year because they couldn't travel for 2 years. This is really popular. So just open this in new tab to see more information. click here, show more. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to copy this, Control C, go back on Google Spreadsheet, paste that here, and then again, format, wrapping, clip. And now I need to add description. So let me see, do they have description on their website? No, they don't have to. So you need to make a description for this offer. And you need to add that description here in this field, and you need to add your CPA affiliate links to these fields here. That is really, really important. Do not forget to do that. Now, I added only 3 offers here, but you can add 5, 10, 15, 20 offers on this list if you want. But for the purpose of this video, I added only 3 offers. So this is really important. Next thing you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on share. And then you need to choose, okay, I didn't choose title, you just say skip here. And here you need to choose anyone with the link. That is really, really important. You must choose anyone with the link. And then click here on done. That is really, really important. Next thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Spreadsheet. Now this website will automatically create our website, CPA website from your Google Spreadsheet. And when you scroll here you can see all the cool features that you are actually getting with this website. And what you need to do, you actually need to register for a free account. And after you do that, you will come to your dashboard and this is how it looks. So what you need to do, you need to click here on this plus to create a new website. Here you need to paste a link to your Google Spreadsheet. So I will go back here, click here on share, okay, skip, and here I can click copy link. Okay, link copied, go back here and paste that link. Click here continue and give it a second, and as you can see, now it is creating a website. It created a website and this is how it looks. But I need to edit this a bit. As you can see, this is not that good. So I actually need to come here on the left side where it says title. Okay, that is the title, that is the name of our document. As you can see here, American Insurance Quotes. Subtitle, I will just choose description, okay? And this is the description from my Google Sheets. As you can see here, so let me just click here on done. And this is the description, right? So when I go back here, this is the same description. Price, I don't need price because we don't have price. Text column, I don't need that. So let me just, okay, buy button, we need to add a button. Okay, so click here and then click here to enable this button. And when you click here, you can choose color. You can choose red, blue, you can change it. So just scroll here. Let's just say red, for example, and now it is red. But let's just say if you want green, it is green. Let's just leave it on green. Okay, and here it says buy. Now we don't need buy, so just say register. Okay, register. You can say register for free, something like that. You will come up with a better button, okay? And this is also really important, so pay close attention. Here it says link. You need to click here on link redirect, and you need to click here on affiliate because we need to add our affiliate link. So now when someone click on this button, it will redirect them to our CPA offer, and that will be our affiliate link that we added here in this column, affiliate, okay? That is really, really important. So do not forget to do this part here, okay? And also you can edit this website, design of this website, just click here on design, and here you can choose different themes if you want. Let's just leave it as white, and here you can change header if you want header or you don't want header. Here you can choose the background color. I will leave it as white, or you can choose blue, but white is better in this case, okay? Something like this. You can add footer, homepage intro, you can add different kind of stuff. You can add cover, you can add layout. You can change this image, so let me just click here and you can, let's just say, for example, insurance. Okay, insurance. So let me see what we'll find, okay? And let's just say this image here, and now this is image here in the background of the header. And you can change the even background image here on the website itself. Just play with all of these options here to see all the things that you can do with this website. And like I said, I added just these 3 offers, but you should add 5, 10, 15, 20 offers. And here actually you can see the name of your website, domain name of your website. As you can see, this is a free domain because we are using a free account on this website. And when you click here on change, you can change the domain name and just click here on save, and that's it. Now I don't need that right now, so I just exit. And now what you need to do, you simply need to click here on publish, and let's just leave it as it is. Click here on save, and that's it. I saved this, and this is my website. So when I click here on open, I can see how my website actually looks. And this is how it looks. I have 3 offers, like I said. You can add 5, 10, 15, 20 offers. And when someone click here, it will take them to my CPA offer. And if they register, I am going to earn an affiliate commission. So this is how you make the free CPA marketing website. So all you have to do now, when you make this website, just start driving as much free traffic to this website as you can. Go and promote it on related Facebook groups. Go and promote it on related forums. Promote it on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Tumblr. Comment on related blogs and so on, and start driving as much traffic as you can to this website. As you can see, it is really easy to make this website. You can literally make this website in just 5 minutes, totally free, automatically. You don't need any special skills. So this is how to make CPA marketing website totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.